comment, tell me how you feel about what I'm doing so I can give you more of it, you know what I'm saying, or less. Hello, wonderful people. We are here today to talk about hair. Yes, the baby is asleep, so I'm not going to be loud, so I pray I don't have to do a voiceover, but that is what it is. But first things first, can you subscribe? Because you here, so just subscribe. Hit the bell because you want to see my face again. And then like this, comment, tell me how you feel about what I'm doing so I can give you more of it, you know what I'm saying, or less. Be real with me, keep it straight, honey, okay? So I'm here to do my hair. I haven't straightened my hair in maybe 4 months. Yeah, 4 months if I'm right. And it was literally just straighten it, pin curled it. I wore it like that and then messed it up immediately following and didn't do anything else to it because I did that for my baby shower. So I thought I'd do a little length check to really pay attention and see how long my hair is. Now I haven't had my ends clipped in a good grip. But they don't feel terrible, but I know that they probably need some work. I don't know how to clip them, so I'm not going to. My mom is a hairdresser and I usually have her clip my ends, but I just haven't had the time to go to her and have her do it. But yeah, so you guys have seen my hair big. This is after I brushed it out yesterday and then put it in a bun today to run some errands. And you know, I don't really blow dry my hair as much anymore. I wash it and let it air dry because I've been wearing it curly. It's just easier. I haven't been going anywhere because of quarantine. So now that I'm kind of going places, I've been doing stuff to my hair, but with it curly. So I thought I'd take advantage, press my hair out, see, you know, what it is. But that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna press this hair and see how long it's gotten. So I will add some pictures because it's been a long journey. My hair has been long and then broke off and then back, but I've never gotten a perm. My problem was I put too much heat on my hair. So I'm gonna add a picture probably over here, just showing what my hair looked like. My hair had broken off so bad. I don't have any old pictures from when I was in middle school, but in middle school my hair was this long. And then when I got to high school, I learned how to straighten my own hair, but didn't realize you don't have to straighten your hair every day. So putting too much heat will kill your hair. So that's what I did to myself. I made my hair break off because I put too much heat on it. And then eventually I learned my lesson. My mom told me, like, you live with me, you have to take care of your hair because that's just how this works. I'm the hairdresser. I'm supposed to be showing you what to do. So I had to listen and stop putting so much heat on my hair. And my solution was getting sew-ins. So I would get partial sew-ins where the top of my head, like this part would be out and all the rest of it was braided up and in a sew-in. So anytime I needed my hair to be like done for anything, I would get a sew-in and I would wear it for, you know, months at a time, depending on how well I was able to take care of it. And this was before my hair ended up getting really dry. So I did that for a couple of years and my hair started to grow back pretty good. I had lost the curl to my hair because of how much heat I had been putting on it. The process of doing all of that, you know, obviously the front was still a little, you know, messed up from me still straightening it because I was doing it in a sew-in, but the rest of my hair was pretty good. So then I did almost a whole year with no heat. And when I came back, it was like, okay, I can do it now. So I just don't press my hair as much so that I don't lose my curl. I used to not like my curl. And then when I got it back, I was like, okay, I look cute. I'm all right with it. So that's what it is. I will add a picture too to show you guys what my first weave looked like. And I thought I was something. Like my first sew-in, I had gotten a weave before that just for like photo shoots for my mom's shop and stuff like that, but this was my first like real weave, something that I had personally requested. So I was excited and I was feeling myself. So that was another reason why I didn't mind getting them over and over, because I looked good and it was easier to do my hair. It was more manageable, but it's harder for me to go actively get it done and then maintain it after the fact. With the girls, it's easier to just work on my natural hair, and if I really wanted to, I could just go out with it wet and be fine. So but I want to see what it's looking like, because this thing needs to be tamed anyway. But yeah, I'm not going to talk on this part. I'm just going to go ahead and part it up and start pressing. And if you would like to watch, I'm just gonna speed it up and you're gonna see it all. And I will say my ends actually feel pretty good. That's the main reason why I use this oil is it just says extraordinary oil. It's chamomile and sunflower oils. It just says it deeply nourishes, but I thought it would be perfect to use on my ends because that's what gives me the biggest trouble when I straighten my hair, because I don't straighten it so often. They'll just look ratty. And it'll be like, what's the point of pressing my hair? And then it also helped give it a little bit of shine. I only really did it at the end, so I think my hair just naturally has a good amount of shine to it, but then the heat protectant might honestly do something. But the heat protectant I got is just some generic stuff I got from the hair store. I'm confident it might have actually came with this flat iron I'm using, so I can't really direct you to where to get that. But the oil is, what's it called? From CVS, something I couponed, so yeah. So Ayana didn't want me to be great. So she said, bump that nap. So I'm gonna finish this side and then come back. Because it might not be immediately. You say hi? You say hello? My apologies, y'all, if you hear the baby in the back cooing. She doesn't want to let mommy be great. So she's just going to be our background music. All right. I'm all finished up. I pressed everything. I didn't add any other product to my hair. And most times one side looks longer than the other. And it looks like this side is like a pinch longer, but not that much. I'm gonna take a picture of it, just seeing how far it goes down my back. I got mommy stains and all of that, so I don't wanna stand up right now with my whole outfit, but I'm gonna take pictures and probably add them right here so y'all can see the length, and we can compare it to my old pictures, because I don't have any good, like, just with my hair straight pictures for the last year to show how far it's came. But I know that my hair did grow a lot. I have like maybe one from last summer I might be able to find, but it's not like clear enough, so I'll see. But if I can find it, I will add it, and we can see the difference in, I guess, a year of how long my hair got. I do still need my ends clipped, but they survived this time without, you know, making my press out look crazy. But yeah, I wish it wasn't so hot, because this is not gonna last. It's my whole edges is gonna sweat out. I know, Ayana. My whole edges is gonna sweat out and I'm gonna be livid, but it is what it is. This was just, you know, for the purpose of seeing what my hair was looking like. I think I did take pretty good care of it. Oh, okay. I think I took pretty good care of it, because it still has a really good natural shine to it. I did dye my hair only the same color twice, and that was 2 years ago, and it looks like it's you know, half of the way grown out. So I wouldn't mind dyeing my hair again, but I'm a punk. I prefer to just not damage my hair, and I know there's ways to do it without damaging your hair, but I'm a little too scared. So yeah, I'm excited. I love when my hair is straight. It makes me feel so cute and pretty. So all right, y'all. Anybody else get their hair pressed and then just keep combing it and fingering through it? You just can't help it. Like, okay. Get a new weave and be like, okay. But it's all mine. So I'm going to get to this baby and give her all the love she wants, because that's what it is. She just wants attention. They're like her mom. And I will see y'all later. Okay, let me know if there's any hair videos anybody is preferring to see, and I will see what I could do, honey. All right, bye.